watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello and welcome back. The kitchen is often called the heart of the home, and during the fall season, it's the perfect place to add warmth, comfort, and rustic farmhouse charm. With just a few thoughtful touches, you can make your kitchen feel inviting and ready for the season. Today, let's explore some simple and timeless ideas for rustic farmhouse kitchen decor this fall. Wooden cutting boards on display. Lean rustic wooden cutting boards against the backsplash for both function and farmhouse style. Open shelves with seasonal accents. Decorate open shelves with mini pumpkins, fall mugs, and jars of spices. Copper pots and pans. Hang or display copper cookware for warmth and a vintage farmhouse feel. Mason jars with dried florals. Fill mason jars with dried wheat, eucalyptus, or sunflowers for a natural touch. Farmhouse table centerpiece. Use a wooden tray with candles, apples, and pumpkins as a centerpiece on the kitchen table. Rustic wicker baskets. Place baskets filled with seasonal produce like pears, squash, or mini pumpkins on counters. Plaid or gingham dish towels. Swap plain towels for plaid or gingham patterns in warm autumn tones. Vintage enamelware. Use enamel pitchers or bowls for holding utensils or flowers for a rustic display. Fall-themed wreath. Hang a small wreath made of leaves, wheat, or grapevine on a pantry door or cabinet. Glass jars of spices. Line up glass jars with cinnamon sticks, cloves, or nutmeg for both decoration and function. Lanterns or candle holders. Place a lantern or rustic candle holder on the counter or kitchen island for cozy lighting. Layered rugs. Add a jute rug or a plaid runner near the sink or stove for texture and warmth. Antique wooden signs. Hang or lean a sign with words like harvest or farm fresh for a farmhouse touch. Seasonal fruit display. Arrange apples, pears, or pomegranates in a wooden bowl for natural decor. Rustic shelf with cookbooks. Style a shelf with vintage cookbooks, a pumpkin, and a small plant for charm and function. And there you have it, some simple ways to bring rustic farmhouse charm into your kitchen this fall. These ideas are cozy, timeless, and easy to adapt, no matter the size of your kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal home inspiration. Wishing you a warm and beautiful fall season.